Assamualaikum everyone. Our topic is application of velocity and acceleration. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. My name is Awatif Auni binti Zamri. My student ID is 2020877466.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Fatin Ruzana binti Shahrun Zaidi, and my ID number is 2020457888.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Auna binti Ahmad Nizar, and my student ID 2020606656.
My name is NurAqilah Mashitah binti Khir, and my ID student is 2020488606.
We start with introduction of velocity. Velocity is defined as the rate of change of displacement. For example, a motorcycle at uniform velocity a distance of 2 km in 5 minutes. What is the velocity of the motorcycles? So, firstly, we must to convert kilometer to meter and minute to second. So, we get 2 km times 1000 meter, and we get 2000 meter. 5 minutes times 60 seconds, and we get 300 seconds. After that, we calculate the velocity. The velocity, which is total displacement over total time, and we get 2000 divided 300, and we get 6.6667 meter per second.
Next, we move to introduction of acceleration. When we are in a stationary car that moves rapidly to gain speed, we get pushed back against our seat. And when brake is applied, we get pushed ahead, or when we take sharp right turn, we are pushed toward the left. These are situations where we are accelerating. We have been experienced all these situations while in car, bus, or while riding a motorcycle. We can simply put, when a velocity changes, there will have acceleration. Now let me give you two examples. The first one, a car traveling in a straight line at a constant speed of 80 km an hour. And the second one, a plane is traveling in a straight line at a constant speed of 1000 km an hour. In these two situations, is acceleration involved? So the answer is no, because there are no velocity change at all. In short, acceleration only exists when there is change in velocity. Acceleration only exists when there is change in a velocity. So what is a velocity? Velocity is speed with direction, and its hence of vector quantity. And how we calculate acceleration? Acceleration is defined as the rate of change of velocity. In terms of formula, acceleration can be written as change of velocity over time taken. If the velocity of an object changes from an initial value u and final value of v in time t, then the acceleration can be written as a equal to v minus u over t. Set this object is at rest initially at point A, then travel to the right and attain the velocity of 10 meters per second in 5 seconds. Then what is acceleration at point B? So we can use the formula to get the answer. The initial velocity u is 0 meters per second as the object is stationary. Then the final velocity v is 10 meters per second, and the time taken is 5 seconds. Hence, the acceleration will equal to 10 meter per second minus 0 meter per second over 5 seconds. Then we will get 10 meter per second over 5 seconds. Then the answer is 2 meter per second square.
Application of solving vector space using magnitude of vector. First, let's watch this video. From the video, we sketch a graph of Johnny's trip from his house to the office, starting from point A to point C through point B, which is the train station, on a scale of 2 kilometers to 1 unit. We can find the total distance from A to C using the formula of magnitude. So calculate both magnitude. From AB, we got 8.25 kilometers and BC 28.84 kilometers. Adding both magnitude and we got total distance equal to 37.04 kilometers.
Next, it takes him 20 minutes by bicycle to reach the train station and 15 minutes from the station to reach his office. Now, we will calculate the speed of bicycle. The formula for speed is distance over time. And we will get the speed of bicycle is 25 km per hour. Next, we calculate the speed for train and we will get 115.36 km per hour. Now, at the station, he needs to wait for 10 minutes for the train to arrive. Calculate the time taken for Johnny to reach his office and at what time will he arrive if he start to go to work at 8 a.m. First, we need to calculate the time taken and we will get 45 minutes. After that, we can calculate the time Johnny arrived at his office, which is 8:45 a.m.
To conclude, velocity is speed in a given direction. Meanwhile, acceleration is a measure of the rate of change of the velocity of an object. Three ways to change the velocity of an object is to change its direction, speed, or both its direction and speed. Acceleration is found by taking the initial velocity and subtracting it by the final velocity and dividing the value by the time taken. That's all. Thank you.